on Ram 1500. It is time to replace cabin filter, and it is CAF 1864P. I got it from AutoZone, and location of the cabin filter is in glove box. What I need to do is release this string that is making motion slow and push these sides, pull and push. You pull and unhook it from the housing, and filter is behind, barely can be seen. To release this, you need to pull down. I already did a little bit, and it will come out itself. And here will be hard to see because it's dark, but here is a little cut that we need to pull down in order to be able to spread this side so we can take it out like that. I took it out, but I will need to do other side too, and I'll try that while recording. If not possible, then I will need to stop recording and use both hands. But it worked. So while I took it like that, here are the hinges, so-called, that we need to pull out, and that's it. So filter is here, hard to see, but there are sides, tabs that we need to push in. This one is left, and on the right I cannot record so easy. I need to do that too. So pull it out and I can show you what those tabs are. And it is here. We need to push these, like arrow says, on both sides, and that way we will take cover off. And here is filter, we need to pull it out, and at the same time I will try to see arrow is showing down. So filter is pretty dirty. I cleaned it once, 28,000 miles. I'm going to replace it now. That's pretty long time, but kind of neglected this. Now it's time. New filter is very clean, but measures same all around. So in order to put that back, I will need to go in like that. Arrows are pointing down, and need to put cover back. To put cover, we need to line it up on both sides. I already did right, can't record because it's too dark. And here on left, I just pushed a little bit in to lock it, and that will be it. Now what I need to do is put this hinges back all the way in and pull up to the point that I can reach that string and hook it up again here. I need to hold this string and put it into this slot here where I took it off, but I had to lock these sides on the glove box on both sides and hold this string, and I will try to put this into hold like that. I don't know, did I record it right, but it goes here, and then we just push it up and check on the other side. Did it lock in? It's hard with one hand, but I did it, and that's how it looks. We can try it, and works well. That is all what it takes. It's a little awkward to do it by oneself, but I think that you have idea how to do this. Take string off, push sides in, take it off the hinges, get the filter, push sides, tabs, take filter out, put it back in. It's a little awkward but not difficult at all. Anybody can do it. It's good to do it. Make it fresh, not to smell, and help defrosting in the winter or air conditioning in the summer. Pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching.